Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this portable power supply by DBPower. Now they were nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. If you've never seen one of these power boxes before, they are pretty awesome. They have a ginormous battery built into it, and then you have USB ports and an AC outlet so you can plug in all sorts of different devices and run them off your power supply here. They're really popular with people with CPAP machines. If your power goes out or something, you can go a couple of nights with this guy without having to recharge it or worry about it dying on you. Campers really use these things a lot because obviously you don't have readily available electricity a lot of times when you're out camping. For me, I have a building on my property that has no electricity, and I just need lights in this building for when I go in there. And instead of running a hard wire, I'm just going to plug some LED lights into this guy, and bam, we got light in a building that otherwise has no lights. So just to show the size of the battery on this thing, 67,200 milliamp hour. To compare that, the cell phone I'm recording this video on is a Samsung Galaxy with a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. So cell phone 3,000, this guy 67,000. It also says it is 250 watt hour. If we look at the side panel, we have some of the specifics of it. The dimensions are in metric, so I'll get a tape measure and measure it when we get it out because I have no idea. We have the rated power, so it can continuously run 250 watts. If you've ever had a regular power inverter, you know about those numbers. So 250 watts, it can peak 350. So traditionally something with an electric motor takes more power to get it up and going, but once it's running, it takes less to maintain. So you have a peak of 350, continuous of 250. Then we have a couple of the USB ports and the outputs of those. Bam, look at that guy. All right, he's a hefty little compact thing. We have this outlet here. You can see it's kind of goofy looking. That's just because it's universal to be used for different types of sockets, different countries and such. But you can plug in, if you're in the US, anything that we have here. We have the Type-C USB port here. Oh, here's the smart one. The blue is a fast charger. We have the 2 amp output, the 1 amp output. We have DC in and DC out. Here's our warning about the 250 watt rating. So we got the nice carrying handle on top. We got a power button. We got a button for the AC. We have some indicators for the charge of the battery, the DC USB, and the lights. So see shipped, we're at somewhere between 50 and 100%. You can see the button lights up when we turned on the AC. Turns on when we turn on the USB. Oh yeah, look at that. We got some lights on the side. Well, that's cool. Oh, you can flash them. Slow flash, that's probably SOS. Alright, let's see what's in this little box. Looks like we have an instruction manual. And we have the charge cable, which is, looks like 15 volt, 2000 milliamp for the output on the charger. It weighs just a little over 5 pounds. Left to right here, it's 7 inches. It's got little grippers on the bottom. That's nice. 7 inches by about 5.5 and about 5 tall. Before we test this guy out, we want to make sure we get it fully charged up. Now, I'm going to do that with a solar panel and leave it out overnight, and hopefully in the morning, we're all charged up, ready to go. Got it plugged into my solar panel. Now don't pay attention to the lights looking all goofy. That's only on my cell phone. When I'm actually here looking at it, the left two, 25 and 50% are on solid. 75% is blinking. And I'm sure once 100% is on solid, that'll mean we are fully charged. We are plugged into the DC in port. It's a little late in the day, so I don't expect much to happen right now. But we'll come out tomorrow and it'll be fully charged. Keep in mind this isn't waterproof, so when you're leaving it out like I am overnight, make sure it's not going to rain or it is in some way protected from the rain. Well, there you go, fully charged. Again, the blinking, but your big head's in the way. The blinking lights is just on the camera. All four are solid. We're ready to go. Right, buddy? Are you ready to go, bud? Yeah, you're a good boy. Good boy, buddy. Back inside, and I figured we would start with the USB port. So I have this little power bank that you can charge with a micro USB. So first we need to turn this guy on. We got the power button. Hey, look, the lights aren't flashing all goofy like they were outside. I don't know what that means. So anyway, we also have the USB button to turn on the USB ports. You can see that button lit up. Now if we just plug this guy in here, and you can see the DBPower is now charging this little power bank here. Hit the USB button again, and you can see the lights stopped progressing, that we turned it off. And with the unit on, you can turn the front-facing LEDs on by double tapping the light button. And you can actually have both on at once. Alright, we're going to do a little AC outlet test. You see I got this Vornado desk fan plugged into the outlet. We're going to turn it on. Then we have the AC button. Oh yeah, feel the breeze. And it's off. Perfect. Now let's say I'm out camping, I've been using my flashlight a lot, but oh no, the battery went dead. Need to charge it. Just gonna slap that on there. But while I'm sitting here charging, I'm sweating. It's hot out. I need my fan too. So we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna turn on the USB. You can see the red light, that's charging. Now we need some fan. Oh yeah, staying cool while I'm charging. Well, there it is, guys. Our little DBPower power supply. Thanks for watching.